All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Check out the setup today, guys. I got the tripod. Get yourselves one of these if you don't have one. Walmart, like 60 bucks. They're great for shooting. Okay, I got a table set up. We've got the Vigilante tuned, highly tuned. And I've got this new blue dot sight, which I've been really liking. Yeah, I find it very accurate. So we're gonna have some fun with that. And I was in between these two ammos, and I think we're gonna go with the red fire. I believe so. So let's get it loaded up. And here's the range, guys. I got some steel targets strung up here. I got closest one is this little pig boar thing, and then I got two rams out there. So yeah, I'm gonna get it sighted in and do some shooting. Thanks for watching. All right, so quick tip for you guys. If you've got a rattly handle and it's rattling around, this tacking putty, once it kind of fits the form, works really well. I like it. It is a little bit sticky. It kind of sticks to this, but once it's clicked on there, you have a very nice tight grip that does not rattle or shake. And I like that. So it's a perfect fit. The one thing you gotta be really careful about if you use this stuff is if you get these little pieces that flake off, you do not want them up inside here, because if they get inside your valve, it can mess your gun up. Okay, so you don't want to do that. All right, so that is actually a perfect fit on an unmodified mag, guys. Awesome. Let's sight it in, huh? The closest one is about 30 feet, and the furthest ones are about 36 feet, something like that. Got a lot of wind moving in this direction, but these will be traveling about 600 feet per second, so shouldn't be too bad. This is my group at like 25 feet. Look at that. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. I was aiming right for there, so we are very close. All right, let's hit some targets. This thing is hit pretty nice. Let's see if we hit that first one, huh? I'm going off the knee here. Woo! First shot. Got the piglet. Let's try one more on that pig. All right, let's go. Let's just go after the ram there. All right, like this. Off the chair. Yeah, baby. Oh, this thing is dialed. Okay, so this thing was really fun to shoot today, guys. I was hitting everything I pointed at with that new blue dot sight. And I have to say, this is some of the best ammo I have used in this revolver. Extreme accuracy, see that? I mean, I was just lacing every single shot. Yeah, it was better than the GAMO or the Crossman premieres. Yeah, these Gamos are crushing it. So, yeah. If you guys want to build one of these, let me know if you have any questions. I love this thing. It's going to be one of my revolvers for life. So, anyway, guys, there's been a lot of new people on the channel. I want to thank you guys. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and following along. There's also been some weirdos popping up out of nowhere. If you guys seen just like some cringe, like Gaylord fuckers that are just popping up out of nowhere, trying to talk shit and act like they're better than me. They want to say I don't know how to build guns. They want to say my guns suck, this and that. And they just come out of nowhere. A bunch of no-name, no-face losers that are just trying to troll me. So if you're one of those people, I got one of these for you. And please go to another channel. Everybody else, thanks for joining along. And yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.